If you are wondering how we can save battery on the Google Pixel 10 Pro, then it is actually super simple. I'm going to show you a few tips. The first one, I will highly recommend you to go for the battery, go to the battery saver and simply pick standard or the extreme battery saver. For each, you can find short description what it does. You have to just click on it and then tap on that switcher. Now, what I can also recommend you, basically uninstall all of those apps that you are not using, because every application sometimes connect in the background into the mobile network or Wi-Fi. Sometimes it is using GPS and it actually takes a lot of your battery. But it will be also really nice if you change some display settings over here. If you often forgot to switch off screen of your phone and you've got screen timeout set for like 30 minutes, then it's gonna take a lot of the battery. I will recommend you to lower that for 1 minute or, for example, 30 seconds. Next, if you have like 10% of the battery but you are unable to actually plug it in for a few next hours, I will recommend you to also turn on the dark theme and turn off always on display. Next, you can also go for screen resolution and lower. Instead of the maximum, go to the high resolution and also turn off that smooth display feature. Next, I will recommend you to go for the tap on the Google, not on the Google services. We have to actually go for the Google section. It should be available somewhere here. Okay, never mind, I was wrong. We have to go here, select your profile, so in my case the personal profile, go to the all services and select devices and make sure that you have turned off this one to scan for nearby devices. Also, it will be pretty good if you switch off Bluetooth if you are not using this one. So go over here and simply turn it off. And additionally, you can remove print service. The default print service, you can just turn it off by clicking over here. Next, you can go into the network and internet settings, and if you are outside and you are only using mobile data, make sure that you have turned off the Wi-Fi. And the same, if you are in your house and you are connected into the Wi-Fi, you can just switch off mobile data by clicking just over here. You can also, you have to also remember about turning off the hotspot and the tethering. Now we will have to go back and we'll have to scroll down for another option called security and privacy. Go below for more security and privacy settings. Go to the usage and diagnostics, go to the personal, make sure that you have turned it off. And next we have to go for location, which is located here. If you are not using Google Maps or other GPS things, just switch this off. And additionally, go for the location services and make sure that you have turned off Wi-Fi scanning, but also Bluetooth scanning. And that's pretty much it. If you apply all of those changes, you will see definitely big improvement. You will save a lot of battery on your Pixel 10 Pro.